being an Amazon affiliate or an Amazon influencer or like a Walmart affiliate or a TikTok seller or whatever is one of the easiest ways to make money on the internet. But you got to find winning products, and there's different ways to do it depending on what platform you're on. But in today's video, we are going to go with Amazon. We're going to try to find a winning product on Amazon, and we're going to time it. We're going to see how long it takes us using the tools that we have available to us. We're going to time it. I'm not going to cut this video at all, but I am going to move this out of the way whenever I start. So let's get it started. Now, first and foremost, we're going to take a look at our seasonal trends charts, and it being coming up on the second half of July, we can start looking at maybe early Christmas shopping. So let's take a look at that. Let's see, early Christmas deal, early Christmas gift ideas. This is going to be perfect. All right, so you're going to get a lot of stuff in here that's, just generic nonsense, like TikTok shop kind of garbage, I like to call it. Some of that stuff really does work very well, but we're just going to kind of scroll through and see if anything jumps out at us. These are going to be gifts that you're going to be looking at for, your friends and your family, maybe your dog, maybe your mom, I don't know, your stepdad, whatever gifts you're trying to buy. So we're just going to scroll down all the way to the bottom here. It's going to keep on going. And I'm going to click on the viral view attachment. Okay, so we have solar power charger bank, and I've got this sorted. So here are 5 products, and I've got this sorted. My sorting is, it's got more than 300 30-day sales, right? So couple a day. It's over $10,000 in revenue. So we're not looking at brand new products. We're not looking at knockoff products, parody products. We're not looking at things that are just being added to the Amazon website. And we want we want products that have 1 to 9 influencer videos. And the reason for that is some sellers don't use influencer videos, and the maximum amount of videos that you can have in the top carousel on a product. So if I open this back up and I open this solar charger, the max number of videos that you could have in the top carousel right here, right here is 10. So we're going to pause this. You can see over here on the right, am I in frame? I'm in frame. So we have 2 videos for this product from the manufacturer. And then Nicole Bouvard made a video breaking down this. This is an influencer video right here. So you can only have 10 videos over here on the right. I'm not sure if it's like 5 from the manufacturer and then plus 10, but this is a good target to look for. And again, some products don't have any influencer videos up here. They choose to not have any. Bigger brand kind of stuff would be good. So taking a look at the information, it's makes $17,000 a month in revenue. It is pretty high score because there's not a lot of competition. So I want to take a look at the calculator here, and this will take me 605 days to break even. So we are looking for things that are going to break even in less time than that. Okay, so here we go. So this item right here, what was it? The telescoping large back scratcher. Okay, so this is likely including the Creator Connections bonus, right? This does have a Creator Connections campaign that's active right now. It looks like it's got 47 days left, and it's got $4,800 left in the budget. Okay, so that's actually a pretty decent campaign. It's got 100 daily sales. Okay, you don't need a very expensive product in order to make a lot of money, right? Because if we look at this calculator again, according to a 1% attribution rate, like if I get a video in the top carousel, if I'm one of the top videos and somebody watches a video and then makes a product, 1% of the people that do that are going to be from me, and I'm going to make $32.97 per month off of this item, assuming the Creator Connections bonus holds true for a while, at least for the next 47 days, right? The days left in the campaign, 47. They may extend that Creator Connections campaign. They may not. They may add a new one. They may have a brand new product out. There are ways to add this product to a new campaign without having to go to each product. You can automate it using the Viral View software. You just kind of start it and walk away. It takes 15 minutes. It scans all of your videos and then re-adds them to Creator Connections. So this is what we're going to do. We're actually going to click on the campaign ID. We're going to open this up, and We're going to message the brand. You can see right here, message the brand. I'm a gold seller. I've been selling on Amazon for a couple of years now. I can message the brand, and they will potentially send me a sample to review for no charge. And, there's going to be some opportunity to discuss, what kind of thing they want to see in the video maybe. But that's one way to do it for free. But what I could do instead is actually just buy this product, right? It is $10. It's $10 back scratcher. Well, let me actually open it up here. It's $10 for this product, Jalibo, right? Telescoping large back scratcher with 5 detachable heads. Gift for him, dad. Gifts for men, expendable back. This is not necessarily what I would probably get for my stepdad, for example, but this has a lot of opportunity for gift giving, stockings or maybe a white elephant gift or whatever. Not bad. 3,000 bought in the last month. Yeah, so this is a huge win for me. I'm going to say that 5 minutes is what it took me to find a product. And again, 7 influencer videos, right? More than 300 sales a month, more than $10,000 in revenue, less than 10 videos. Let's click on the videos here. There we go. So we have 1 from the manufacturer, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 influencer videos, and then a couple of customer reviews. So all you have to do is make a video. This one's a minute and a half. This one's a minute and 9 seconds. This one is a minute 15. This one's 3 minutes and 19 seconds, right? Do an unboxing video, do a durability video, buy this, do a 3-month in review kind of video, and you can find a ton of products that you just stack up your portfolio, if you will. And, looking at this calculator, like an extra $32 a month, $32 a month. What if you found 30 products like that? What if you found 30 products a month, 1 per day, did a video on it, got on the top carousel, and you get 1% of the sales? Okay. What if you found 30 products like that? $32 a day is almost $1,000 a month, right? It is a $10 investment. If I do buy this, if I buy this myself, it's $10. So $10 times 30 is $3,000. I do get that, sure. But it's an investment, right? It's an investment. Or you can just do 10 a month or 5 a month and slowly build it up. Just slowly build it up. So yeah, if you're interested in learning more about Amazon sales, all of that, then please consider following, subscribing, liking, sharing, all of that. Happy to do something like this every single day. Yeah. Good luck out there, everybody. We can do this together. Yeah.